And voila! Excessive foam problem, I solved it. How? Now I'll show you. Not only this tube is longer because this one will be 3 meters, but also bigger because inside is 6 millimeters. This one probably is only 4 because can enter inside this. So now we remove this one and we put this one. First of all, we close the tube with a clip because now that we will attach the tube to the fermenter, the beer can come out. We attach to the tap and now we can connect it. Another thing very important is the pressure. The company said that the pressure should be maximum 1 bar. So let's check it. 1 bar 0.3. So it's perfect. Okay, let's make a review. Very important. Cold beer, 5 Celsius degree. The pressure maximum 1 bar. The tube more long because it's 3 meters and a little bit large or larger than the other one. And also very important, the glass should be cold and a little bit humid. In some brewery or in some pub, they wash it. They have an instrument that wash the glass. I wash it under the running water, so it's cold, a little bit humid. Let's test it. And voila! The problem is solved. Perfect foam on the top. So guys, what to say? Remember that if you want to buy this fermenter dispenser, you can buy it with $100 discount if you use my coupon. That is Cuoredicioccolato. So very easy. If you cannot remember, you can ask me in the comment, but you will find all the information here under the video, the link and the coupon discount. Remember, Cuoredicioccolato, you can go directly on their website. When you are close to the payment, you add the discount coupon and you will have $100 discount. I think is a big discount. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice, not only about this fermenter or dispenser, but especially about homemade beer, let us know down in the comment. Bye bye! Spectacular, this homemade beer made with honey ale. You will see the video here on the channel very soon. Spectacular.